Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening, as you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm using some beautiful Shannon's soaps, The Warrior. This was a soap made for Kim, who is fighting cancer. So proceeds from the sale of this soap went to Kim and her medical issues. So beautiful scent on this one. It's very powdery. This was a one-time release. Beautiful scent, beautiful cause. And it's a beautiful soap. It's Shannon's, so you know it's really good stuff. The bowl I whipped that up in is my favorite bowl that came out this year. That is the HC&C lather bowl. And I was a huge fan of the copper Captain's Choice bowl, and I like this bowl better. So I've used this one a lot more than I've used the Captain's Choice. The brush this evening is Craving Shaving Soothsayer. I've had this for a while, so this was in the best of 2021. And the razor, while it did not come out in 2021, I acquired it in 2021. And that is the Timeless TN95. And this has become my favorite DE. Now the blade in there is the PAA Platinum Strangelet, which was released this year. And that is my favorite DE blade. Not just of this year. I think of all the blades I've used, it's probably one of my favorites. It's a phenomenal blade. It's sharp, it's smooth. I know some people say it's a little bit tuggy with their growth. I have pretty thick growth. I haven't had any tuggy from it. Just a nice, sharp, smooth blade, in my opinion. So it's my favorite blade. All right, so nothing issues with the sink holding water, so we're just gonna go. Hope everyone had a phenomenal holiday. Spent Christmas Day with my parents. You can see where people get a little bit, let's say it's a little tuggy, but to me it's not that bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Hey buddy, what's up? Just grabbing a what?
The melatonin.
Okay, I think it might be in this store. I can't tell what it looks like because I can't see.
Of course you can't see.
Night, buddy. Apparently my middle one's having a hard time sleeping tonight. Scent on this is just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful scent. The performance is fantastic. It is Shannon's. I was introduced to Shannon's this year as well. From the likes of like CDB, who pushed Shannon's quite a bit. Finally picked some up, although this wasn't the first set of theirs that I purchased. It is phenomenal. I have the Inspiranzo de Lusso, the other one that's the Razor Company exclusive, and Silk Pajamas. Now this is the Chupacabra base, and you can see it's also a collab with the Razor Company. So anyone that uses any soap of Shannon's, it's a collaboration with the Razor Company, uses that Chupacabra base. It's very easy to whip up, has a nice creamy lather to it, is exceptionally slick. And I really haven't smelled a bad scent from Shannon's yet, although I only have 3 currently. I've heard 4C Fern is really good from them as well. As well as was it something with lemongrass? I'm drawing a blank on what that one is. But Shannon's is really good stuff. If you haven't tried them out yet, I highly recommend it. Just a great soap, great performance on this as well. I think with Shannon's, one thing that a lot of people have mentioned or have heard people mentioning why they don't really pick them up is the labels are kind of not as eye-catching as some other brands. I will say that their labels are a little bit more on the monochromatic side. That's not a bad thing. I still like the looks of them. I still think they're a little classic, have a little classic vibe to it. They're, as I mentioned, a great soap. Shannon and her husband are very supportive of the community and the hobby. They show up on pretty much every live show, a lot of live shows on Instagram, active in the groups. Really, what more can you ask for an artisan? So again, seriously, if you haven't tried Shannon's yet, give them a shot. Cheaper carbon base is no slouch. I think that's their mid-tier base. If I'm wrong on that, correct me in the comments below. Love the feedback with this blade. Look at all that stubble. Just going to town on this stuff. Man, and this razor, the Timeless TI, it's lightweight, it's nimble. There's not a ton of blade fill in it, but there's, just a decent amount that it's there. The audio feedback is nice. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic shave. Just loving this. My only regret with this soap is not buying the splash. Because that would just been phenomenal. By the time I think when I ordered this, I can't remember if they had a splash or not. Or if I wasn't sure of the scent, so I didn't get the splash. Either way, I should have got the splash. Excellent shave. A little clean up here in my no usual spots. And we'll call it good. This is a really short video. All right. So if you can't tell, this soap is in my top of 2021. Phenomenal scent, beautiful base, works just really well. It's really easy to work as well. It's really nicely priced as well for a really good quality base. Just absolutely fantastic. The bowl from HC&C, I love the little ridges on here, how they kind of go up and out, so it's whips of lather exceptionally fast. Unlike using some other bowls that have the circles or no ridges at all, that just works really well. The Captain Dress bowl is still a fantastic bowl, so I use that quite often, but I've kind of gravitated towards the HC&C bowl. The blade, very sharp, very smooth, just absolutely beautiful as well. I can see how people would say it's a little bit tuggy in some areas, but really, it's not bad. I think because it's so sharp, it's getting a lot of those things that people maybe not used to. I don't know, it's like this feather, but smooth. So it's really nice, really good blade. Timeless TI-95, I absolutely love that razor. It's lightweight, it's nimble, it just works, gets under the mustache, nose area very well. Just all around, phenomenal shave. And before I continue rambling for too long, I want to thank you everyone for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.